Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to add a product for the Product Switcher tool. The Product Switcher tool is just like it sounds. It was made to make switching in between all of your different Indition products a whole lot easier. With this function you are able to switch back and forth between the different products you own. For example, you can switch between Indition Forms and Indition CRA Marketing at an instant. The Product Switcher tool is compatible with Indition Forms, Indition Alerts, Indition Marketing, Indition CMS, that's our content management system, and Indition Seller Tools, our Amazon tools made specifically for Amazon sellers. Also, when doing this, it doesn't matter which one of these products you use to set it up with. For this example, let's start off in our Indition Forms dashboard. From here, I will click on My Account, and like I mentioned before, in any of the products I mentioned, you can do the same process of clicking on My Account and getting to your account settings. So in our account settings, we will see the My Account information. This will tell us what plans we currently have, and in this demo account, I just have Indition Forms. So let's add in another product. For this demo, we will add in Indition Marketing, so I will click on the Add Product button for Indition Marketing. We will see a pop-up come up, and I will click on the Free Account button, and then click on Subscribe. After that, I will refresh my page, and then we will see the new Product Switcher icon appear. So let's try it out. I will now click on the Product Switcher icon and see that Indition CRA Marketing and Indition Forms is visible. So now I will click on Indition CRA Marketing and get taken to the CRA dashboard. As you can see, we are now in our Indition CRA dashboard. So that means with this new function, you can now toggle back and forth between your Indition products. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe to the Indition community. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.